Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Lever. Just wanted to make a quick update because it has been very bullish. I'm not sure how many people. A lot of alerts are going off because Bitcoin is pretty bullish right now. But I'm not sure how many people actually watch these Lever videos. But personally, I'm in a long position right now, so I thought it was interesting. I also gave out that trade in the premium group, by the way. I have a premium group in which I share my own trades as signals. So we actually got in right here on Lever. Still very bullish. It's very bullish right now. Like it just hit this resistance level around 2600. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on whether it's possible to rally up even higher towards 3000. I'm going to call this 3000, but in reality it's 0.3 cents. All right, but you know what I mean. But yeah, I'll tell you everything you need to know. Hopefully, I'll tell you why it's rallying, everything. Before we dive into that, like I said, I have a premium group. Links will be down in the description. Now onto Lever. So the thing is that Lever already has been showing bullish momentum for a very, very long time now. If you take a look at this, for example, you'll see that even over the last week, the open interest was already very high on Thursday. Has been high for a very long time, right? Even before that, but especially over the last couple of days. Yesterday it started increasing massively, so then it got that bullish breakout above its main resistance right here around 2200 and 2250, and that caused this whole last rally, which happened over the last 24 hours, to happen. One of the main reasons why Lever is doing this is probably its affiliation with market maker DWF Labs, which usually, if they do some sort of an investment in your crypto, the crypto rallies for some reason. I don't know, maybe they just pick very good projects. But yeah, so Lever as well. And now the big question obviously is can Lever rally up higher? If you take a look at the daily time frame, you can see we just hit the 0.618 FIB right here with this entire resistance level around 2700 and 2600 / maybe even 2500. Very strong resistance. Next price target would be 3000 / 3200. Now the main question is, in my eyes, is Lever able to hold its main support? And I would actually say its main support, we're now at the main resistance. I actually do expect Lever to drop down all the way towards 25 and 2400. And then from there we'll see, because what needs to happen is that Lever holds that level as support and then gets some sort of a bullish confirmation again by, for example, breaking above 2600. If that happens, and at this moment, I would say that is the most likely scenario, given everything we just looked at. So the open interest, the volume, what we know about Lever and its affiliations, and the technicals. I mean, there's nothing bearish about these technicals yet. So this is the most likely scenario, but it depends a lot on how it reacts to that level around 2400. Because if it finds support there, but it's not able to get that bullish breakout, that bullish confirmation, and the volume and the open interest start dropping down, then all of a sudden Lever drops down towards 2200, which isn't the end of the world, but that is major bearish confirmation. And then it's more likely that it will drop down all the way to 2000 and 1900. So keep an eye out for that. It's most important right now. I would say it's more likely to continue rallying up, but it is key that it gets a good reaction off of the 2400 level. So keep an eye on that. I'll try to keep you updated. Just let me know if you're interested in that, all right? Because right now, I'm not sure how many people are interested in that. Usually it's not that much with Lever. So let me know down in the comments. But these are my thoughts. This is my analysis for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy your Sunday. Take care and bye.